power of the 2 days is that how deeply we can go. The way you create your results, the way you create your life is very unique to you, and it's based on certain assumptions. So the power of these 2 days is they're very strategically designed, and the environment of the experience is such that we go deep and ask the underneath, under the hood questions. We get underneath it for the purpose of you to not create something new that was the opposite of what didn't work, but to go underneath and organically create what's true for you. And then we have a set of exercises, experiences, and experiential training, because we have experiences that viscerally get underneath it so you can heal, you can process, and then with a clean slate, create what's next. Not on top of what was there, but from a clean space. What if saying yes right now is what shifts something inside of you so powerfully that you take the next opportunity that comes your way because of what opened up as a result of you saying yes to this? Come in, day 1, day 2, give yourself a chance and see what happens for you. Because I promise you, based on experience, not even one person ever said, I wish I didn't do it.